Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to move crypto from Coinbase to Exodus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to take control of your digital assets and move them to a more decentralized wallet like Exodus, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything for security reasons. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Exodus Wallet. You'll need some crypto in your Coinbase account to transfer. Why do this? Exodus offers more privacy and control, which is a big win in the evolving crypto world of 2025. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section and select the cryptocurrency you want to move, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Now, switch over to your Exodus wallet. If you haven't already, download the latest version from their official site to ensure it's up to date for 2025. Open the wallet, select the same cryptocurrency, and click on the Receive button. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as it's case sensitive. Step 3. Head back to Coinbase. Go to the Send or Withdraw option for your selected crypto. Paste the Exodus wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount you want to send, and review any network fees. Remember, these can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 4. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Once sent, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to appear in your Exodus wallet, depending on the crypto and network speed. Finally, once it's in Exodus, check your balance to confirm everything's good. Congrats! You've successfully moved your crypto. If you run into any issues, always reach out to official support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.